TEMI Dinosaur Train Track Toy Set with Race Cars and Jurassic Dinos for kids toddlers 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Create a Dinosaur World Road with flexible tracks, birthday gifts for boys and girls. Super value. This playset comes with 200 track pieces, 7 dinosaurs, 2 jeeps, 2 trees, 8 road signs and TOY Life Wooden Train Set 80 pieces Wood Train Set for boys and girls with crane wood tracks. Fitz Thomas Brio Melissa Chuggington Train Track Set Wooden Railway Toddler Boy Toy Train Set Boys Train Set 3+. Premium and complete train track set. This 80 pieces wood train set for toddlers comes with tracks, crane, trucks, construction cars and oil tank cars, workplace mat and other accessories. Kids can DIY assorted traffic systems by imagination and spatial logical thinking ability with this train sets for boys 4 to 7. Dinosaur Toys 187 pieces. Create a Dinosaur World Road Race Flexible Track Playset for dinosaurs and 2 race car toys for 3, 4, 5, 6 year and up. Old boy girl's best gift, green. Be easy to assemble or take down to store. The track piece is dynamic and can twist left or right, which when the entire track is pieced together, allows almost of flexibility. Make a new track layout for different variations. Models, 3x friction-powered dinosaur cars, 4x rocks, 4x trees, 2x eggs, 8x fences, and 1x fun Dino Zoo playmat. Lydaz Dinosaur Truck Toys for kids 3 to 5, Dinosaur Transport Car Playset, Dinosaur Cage Car with 8 dinosaur figures, Dinosaur Eggs, 3 Pullback Dino Car, Playmat, birthday gifts for toddler boys girls. Dinosaur Truck Toy Set. The Dinosaur Car Set includes 1x large Tyrannosaurus head monster truck which has 4 big size wheels, 8x realistic dinosaur